Hi there, this is Kathy King, the Sustainable Organizer. I'm here in my coffee room where life happens between coffee and wine. So what I wanted to talk to you about today is that this week I thought it was a good opportunity because I received a gift of this coffee mug which says, "Life happens, coffee helps," and that's me. And as you know, I have multiple coffee machines in this little room. So one of the opportunities I do is that, okay, if I do have a mug in, I need to have a mug out, because that's the only way you prevent your, I guess, your overwhelmed population and clutter. So in my room right here is where my coffee mugs, and if they don't fit in here, then I can't keep them. So I go through my coffee mugs and I figure out the coffee mugs that I can make a right to take a decision on, and which ones stay and which ones go. And so I go through and say, okay, this mug I know is way too big and doesn't get used, so that one's going to be on the go list. And for the most part, I think this one could be on the go list. And fresh brewed inspiration for the day ahead. I think this mug is a keeper. It's got words on it. So that one will go back in. But what I also wanted to let you know is that each one of these cabinets that are in this room, when I have the opportunity like this, I take the extra 10-15 minutes and go through it and open up each door to see, is there an opportunity for something that's not being used, or something that gets put in there that doesn't belong in there. And I also in this room have a couple of cabinet doors here which have seasonal medication and all of that kind of stuff. So I take the time at this point in time to actually go through it and say, okay, before we get into the cold season and the flu season and all of that, do I have up-to-date medication in those cabinets so that I'm not picking up something, it's outdated, now I can't use it, and oh, by the way, it's 1 o'clock in the morning and nothing is open. So what I want to do is make sure I'm ready ahead of time. So take the time and take that extra 5 or 10 minutes right now, or even it can be 6 o'clock at night, whatever time you want hi Jenny, to go through this type of small incremental change so that you don't get overwhelmed with clutter. Because that is the only way this coffee room stays intact, is that each drawer, even my junk drawer is located here. So, and you'd be surprised that this is what my junk drawer looks like. So, or maybe not surprised, but I wanted to just say, take the opportunity, take the 5-10 minutes, whatever it takes, right? When you see a drawer or a door, to just take 5 minutes of action, and that will help you get to the declutter mode. So I hope this was helpful, and I will leave you with a view of the decorated dining room. So this is the Halloween decorated dining room. And this is the company I keep during this time of year. So I hope that you guys are all doing well, and that you found this video to be helpful and useful, and let me know if you need help. Take care.